I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I coach people. I try and help you be more effective at work with your job search, with hiring, managing, more effective in the workplace as well. And this is a question someone asked me. It's one of those painful situations that people wind up in where they're fired. And they're brought into the conference room, a bunch of papers are slid in front of them. Maybe it's not that they're fired, they're laid off as part of a mass layoff. And everyone's surrounding you, and the pressure is on. And you're emotionally spent because it's a shock. They slide this paperwork in front of you and they ask you to sign it. What should you do? The answer is don't sign it. Don't sign it because you're not a lawyer and you have no idea what's in there. And they may talk about it being standard stuff and all sorts of crap like that. It basically says, what are you, an idiot? Sign this thing already. We'll give you a check. But don't sign it. They may say, just initial it like you saw it. Don't initial it. Don't do anything. Just simply say, I want to run this by someone and see their thoughts. I'm also, having a degree of distress right now. I'm not in a position where I could actually read it with 5 people standing around me and pressuring me to sign it. No, we're not pressuring you. But your very presence here is pressuring. So I'd like to take this with me, and after I've had a chance to review it, consider signing it. Notice, consider signing it. They may have other people, indicate that they've witnessed you not signing it or witnessing you that they've shown it to you. So what? So what? You haven't agreed to anything at that point. What they're trying to do is to get you to sign off on certain terms and conditions that benefit the corporation and not necessarily you. They may be waving the idea of a check around, but they can cut a bigger check sometimes. If you threaten a lawyer, not there. All you want to do is take that agreement and get out the door. If you threaten a lawyer or do some negotiating, you can get more money. But they're just trying to tie things up neatly for the corporation. They don't have your interests at heart. What they have at heart, and all these people are going to be bombarding you with, is the corporation's interests, not you. They are not your friends. This boss that you would share secrets with for years is not your ally at this moment. They are a stooge of the corporation. Don't fall for it. I'm Jeff Altman. I hope you found this helpful. Visit thebiggamehunter.us. There's a lot more there that you can watch, listen to, or read that will help you with finding work, help you with managing people, with hiring, being more effective in the workplace. That's how I view career coaching. And then from there, I'll just simply say, one-on-one coaching. You can schedule a free discovery call with me at the website at thebiggamehunter.us. If you want to subscribe to my channel on YouTube, click the small icon in the lower right-hand corner. You'll get notified whenever I release a new video. And I'm also on BingeNetworks.tv. That's an app for 90-some-odd video services, including Apple TV, Fire TV, Roku, 90-some-odd platforms. Download the app, watch me there. Hope to have a chance to help you. Have a great day and take care.